11 months old. Isaac Michael. Hey, Michael. This guy loves that basketball. Already. Not that he will play basketball, but he loves it. Hey, boy. Hey, boy. Hey, bring that ball back here, man. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Michael. Come back. There he comes. Here he comes. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Are you okay? Are you okay? Wow. Do you need some help? Come on, man. You can do it. You can get out of there. There you go. I told you could do it. Oh, that boy. Oh, dance, boy. Dance, boy. Dance, boy. Dance, boy. Dance, boy. Ah, now, here we go. 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 Hey, boy. Oh, he's getting frustrated. Give me that ball. Okay, here you go. Here. Okay. See you later. Oh, you're trying to bounce it at 11 months old. Go and get it. Bring it to me, man. I want to play. Ah, look at him trying to bounce the ball. Look. That boy. Michael. That boy. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh.